Professionals is my company for property managers and real estate. Ready?
I'm ready.
You read it. Real estate.
Okay, real estate. Are you a commercial property owner and are you trying to sell? We list properties and add some of the lowest rate around. Let us represent you as a seller. Well, negotiate the highest price for your property. Or maybe you're looking to purchase a commercial property. All of your all of our agents are skilled at
Wait.
are
Skilled.
skilled
No
okay skilled are skilled at representing buyers
To
to whichever
whichever. Whichever.
whichever party you happen to be. We we love to represent you.
That was real estate. Now, property management.
Okay. Property pros also offer services for landlords. We use property management is work
Us. Us.
us
Us.
with us management is worry free. Well, only leasing or your property to ten-
Qualified
qualified qualified
tenants.
tenants, and we take full responsibility for maintenance and collecting rent.
Oh.
For all your commercial real estate needs, call Property Pros.
You see, they
Call
collect the money. Property
Yes,
management.
correct.
Collect the rent.
Okay, yes, it's the one.
All right. Now my turn. Ready?
Ready.
Um, Property Pros Incorporated. This is incorporated. It's a company.
Yes.
Property Pros Incorporated. Commercial real estate and property management. Real estate. Are you a commercial property owner? And are you trying to sell? We list properties at some of the lowest rates around. Let us represent you as a seller. We'll negotiate the highest price for your property. Or maybe you're looking to purchase a commercial property. All of our agents are skilled at representing buyers too. Whichever party you happen to be, we'd love to represent you. Property management. Property Pros also offers services for landlords. With us, property management is worry-free. We'll only lease your property to qualified tenants. And we take full responsibility for maintenance and collecting rent. For all your commercial real estate needs, call Property Pros. Excellent. Okay, now, look. Owner. Put in your notebook, vocabulary list.
Okay.
Look, this is a different list than your list. Una lista, esta no es una lista. Es un verbo. So the vocabulary for today, owner,
Okay.
list, represent, oh, y también pon rates. So we have 1, 2, 3. Seller, 4. Rates, 5, 6. Negotiate, 7, 8.
Okay. Party buyers.
Party, buyers,
Buyers. Okay, buyers.
landlords, lease, tenants, and rent. Okay, rent is easy, right? Like Spanish, rent.
Yes.
It's the money or for rent. This is verb o la cosa, el dinero. Look, here's the verb, the list.
Yes.
List is you put the house in the newspaper, you put the house that is now is ready to sell. This is list.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. Oh.
There's a special newspaper and special magazines for houses. So the real estate agent put your house. But we don't say put, we say list.
Okay.
The real estate agent lists your house in the newspaper, in the magazines, in the market, in the websites, in my office, everywhere. They list. They put.
List.
Yeah, in real estate business, they say list the house, list the property. Means you put in the real estate magazines, real estate newspapers, real estate websites, real estate office. Where else? Magazines, newspaper, websites. I think that covers everything.
Yes.
Also, you go to the office and they have a picture of your house. It's listed. Ya pasó, ya está listed.
Okay.
Good?
Okay.
List.
Good.
Look, lease. Lease is the action of rent.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
In Spanish, they say rentar and alquilar, you know? It's lease. Lease.
Es alquilar, lease.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lease. Rent. Lease, rent.
Okay.
Look. This is the lease contract, agreement. ¿Te acuerdas agreement?
Yes.
This is the contract. The lease agreement.
Okay.
A lease is a contract to rent the property. So, lease puede ser el contrato, puede ser el verbo de rentar, puede ser el acuerdo. Cuando dicen, ya se me va a acabar la lease, pues ya se va a acabar el acuerdo, o sea, el contrato. Puede ser el papel, el contrato, el papel. Le pueden decir, hey, voy a ir a firmar mi lease. O sea, van a ir a firmar el acuerdo, el contrato. ¿Ese carro es tuyo? No, I lease it. I lease. Lo rento. Nomás pagan como renta. Ajá. That's right. También a veces pueden decirle al lease, es la persona. De repente, esa es muy rara, pero también lo pueden usar la persona que está rentando.
Okay.
Pero casi nunca. Casi siempre le dicen tenant. Ese es el común, tenant. El inquilino, you know?
Okay,
Tenant. ¿Y el dueño? Landlord.